here, we'll look at how to create pages on our blog. Now, move your mouse to pages here and hit on pages. There are no pages, so hit on this and create a new page. Just like our posts, you can insert text, video, audio, or anything. I'll go ahead and hit on insert image. I'll hit on choose file, and I'm going to select one of the files I have here. I will go ahead and select this file, and as that is loading, I'll go ahead and pick some text from here, copy and minimize, and this will load right now. This has finished loading. You can click and select and add. Just the same way, you can hit on this and select extra large or anyone you wish. Down here, I'm going to paste my text describing this. Remember to come over here and move your mouse to justify and click on justify to arrange your text just the same way you want it. You can always click on this and make it to be centered. It doesn't matter. You can see that. So you have the final choice. You can always go ahead and preview this to see how it looks on web pages. So this is what you have. Now you can close this and put this as GistEvolve Mission in Africa. So this is the image I took on my mission in Africa, where I taught students how to design circuits. I love seeing this being justified. I don't like something that is not orderly. So go ahead and justify this. So GistEvolve Mission in Africa. Go ahead and publish this. Now that you have published it, you can get the source of your link, or you can get your link by right click on view and copy link address, or you hit on view and your blog link will be shown. So this is the link to this page. You can copy this link and close this. So you can create different pages, and when I come over here, I will go to my layout and I will go back to more GistEvolve courses. I'll go ahead and change my Udemy URL to this. So when students click on this, it will show them that link. It is saved. Click on view blog. This is what I have. It's not seen anywhere. I can come over here and hit on this and click on this photo. It will immediately come this. You can see I can create millions of pages, and people can come over here and make their comments. You can see comment as George Steve, and your friends can comment as their name. I can say this is amazing. Come on. Thank you. This is amazing. Thank you. And I hit enter. Notify me for follow-up. You can go ahead and publish your comments. So when you go down here, you can see that I have commented. This is amazing. Thank you. Your comment was published. So your friends can start commenting on your posts and start getting amazing traffics. So we have learned how to create different pages, comments, publish and attract traffics on our web pages or on our blog sites. And when people are visiting your blog, The time they spent on your blog helps you to make more money once you connect your blog to AdSense. So you come over here and create AdSense accounts. It's a different cost entirely. So we have come to the end of blog creation and management. You have learned how to create blog, create posts, and create different pages, comments, and attract people. And people will share your posts with their friends. So when someone clicks on your posts, or when you go, I'm going to close this. When someone clicks on your blog, he or she will see your posts and hit on your posts. The post is visible to everyone. So if I want, I can hit on share. You can see I can share this everywhere. I can hit on my Facebook and share this post on my Facebook page. So this is going straight to my Facebook. See, this is my page, George Steve, video lecture by G Steve. So people can start sharing your post and you start making enough money. Yes, I want to leave. Okay, so I believe that at the end of this course, you can start creating your own blogs and begin to make amazing money from people visiting your blog and start sharing your blog on all web pages. At this point, I'm going to say thank you very much for coming to the end of blog creation and management, and I'm going to see you in the next video where you'll be taking a different lecture entirely from this. Thank you, and if you have any question, please do let me know.